Guess where I'm at. So today, just start of a day that I should go and take care of some matters at the factory. So here I am in beautiful Costa Rica. It's a bit humid. You can see the sweat coming out. It just rained like half an hour ago, so I just landed. So I'm here at the factory, greeted with a great cigar. Of course, MBombay. Sorry, the bands are not here, but it's tasty. So I'm here to check on some pilons that they just put into fermentation probably a week and a half ago, like 10 days ago. So let's see how it turns out. I want to take you to the fermentation room where we normally ferment the thing. Check it out. So there we are. The smell is really potent with ammonia. I don't think so I'm going to be able to stand here more than 10-15 minutes. But let me just tell you what these pilons are. So pilons, we're covering just these things up with some tobacco, mostly shag, so that the temperature is maintained here. One major thing that we always check is regarding tobacco when they are fermenting like this is the temperature, that how much temperature is in the pilon right now. And second thing is the release of ammonia that comes out. Looking for all the signs of how the leaf are being fermented, in a sense of like the colors, the greasiness of it, and how it smells. Basically, it should smell sweet, and that's after once the temperature reaches somewhere in the range of like 90 to 95, then we change or rebuild this pilon again. We take each and every piles out and then reform the whole thing again. Look at that. We normally fan it out when we are changing or we are building or rebuilding the pilon again. You need to fan it out so all the fresh air gets in, it cools down, and again the water is sprayed on it, so it again begins the fermentation process. One very interesting thing that I probably might have shared earlier with people who visit the factory is about temperature and fermentation. So normally what happens is, if you ferment or if you let the heat increase in the pilons, what normally happens, the leaf definitely gets darker because the heat is applied. But on the same time, the sweetness of the tobacco reduces. So it's like, I would give you an example of grilling a piece of meat and smoking it. So the difference is you cook it at slower temperature, cook it for longer time, and that increases that juiciness in the meat and that sweetness. That's the similar concept. I'm just giving you an analogy, but similar concept when we talk about fermenting tobacco, just like this. So this is what we do here. Just a small part, but I'll keep you posted with the other stuff that goes around the factory. So far, had a long day, did a lot of work here, and ready to go back to the bed. Hopefully you enjoyed this small segment about pilons and fermentation. If you have any questions, please let me know. We can go from there. All right.